she could do was back up.
Exactly.
Oh, those are plugged in.
Those ain't plugged in. You're gonna run out of battery. Those are plugged in. Oh, really?
Her legs hurt.
What's wrong? Your stomach hurt? McFatty.
Definitely.
Get your feet up. She can run into something, I swear. Oh my God.
Oh!
Really, Fatty? Really? You need that for when you back up on a regular basis. Beep, wow, no. Wow. Get your big ass up. No. I'm gonna get hurt.
I'm doing the two-step back here.